friends. We are in Georgia. We are at the Lawrence Shoals campground on what lake is it?
I don't know how to pronounce this. Ocone, O-C-O-N-E-E, something like that.
Okay,
Ocone. Like east of Atlanta a ways.
Yeah, quite a bit. So Lawrence Shoals campground. We are camped here. We just hopped on our bikes. There's a 3.5 mile loop through the woods, and it actually leads us to this interpretive center. And there is it's called Rock Hawk Effigy. We're gonna take you over here, but there's also a lookout we're gonna climb.
We haven't even seen this effigy yet, but apparently it's
in the shape of a bird.
It's called the Rock
Hawk
effigy, and apparently when you get up on the tower, you can kind of see what would be the. When you first get to it, you look out and go, "Yeah, I don't get it."
Because I just see a lump of rock. So.
It is not known who built the Rock Hawk or Rock Eagle effigies, or exactly when they were built. Most of the we know comes from limited research that's been done on the mounds and speculation. The effigies were located on land occupied by Native Americans before settlers took ownership shortly after 1800 via grants. So they don't know, maybe thousands of years. So here's what it looks like from.
Oh, we've seen things like this in the California desert, down by the border.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yep. In Taglios.
Yes, Blythe and Taglio.
Blythe, California.
Well, let's pop up onto this lookout tower and see what we see. This is cool.
Got my stair climbing shoes on.
Oh yeah. Really clomping. Oh yeah. I see it. Though with the shadows, this camera might not be really picking it up. The shadows are kind of distracting from it, but yeah, the wings kind of here, and then the head, tail back here. I get it. That's cool.
Just makes you wonder who and why, what it all meant.
Yeah.
We're right on this, the campground's right on a lake. I think we said that.
Yeah.
But it's a good sized lake. And I think this afternoon I'm going to get my Georgia non-resident fishing license and see if I can't catch some crappie or catfish.
Yeah, that sounds good. But first, we got to ride back to camp. And then second, we're going to make lunch, breakfast. We're doing a surf and turf. I mean, it's going to be 1 o'clock or so, but it's shrimp and steak and salad.
Yeah, when we came through into Georgia, we came through western North Carolina, and the shrimp we bought at a grocery store there are North Carolina shrimp.
Yeah.
I'm assuming from eastern North Carolina.
Oh, I'm assuming not from western North Carolina. All right, let's get back to camp. Time. Shrimp is going in our boiling water. We need to get some Old Bay. We're really going to season this up with Old Bay. Can't have too much Old Bay. Now we got a pound of shrimp going in.
Carolina shrimp.
Doing some peel and eats. Dump her in. Okay, so what we're going to do is cook these pretty much all the way through, and then we're going to strain this and let them cool on a plate. Then we're going to take the shell off, because cooking them in the shell just adds so much more flavor.
Oh, huge difference.
And then we're just going to quick toss them in some hot butter.
After I peel it.
Yeah.
And then we'll toss them in some butter, more seasonings.
Yeah. And then while these are cooling after we drain the liquid off, we have some steaks we're going to be firing up. Now we got these steaks in Nebraska at a butcher shop.
Yes, some Nebraska beef. These are Carolina shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
And we're cooking in Georgia.
Yeah.
Nomads.
They're coming out. So they're kind of just par cooked right now.
I've carved one of these before. I need to carve one for us. I think we sold it.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So they probably just finished them up in the frying pan after we cooked the steaks.
Yeah. Beauty. All right, well, we'll get a pan and the steaks out here. Ooh, these smell amazing. Steaks going down. Steaks are off. Shrimp's going back in.
Quick little bath.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do a little shaky, shaky. And I have a salad. So salad's got orange peppers. What else did I put in there? Pecans, some super sharp Tillamook cheddar, and apple, and then just a balsamic. I'm very excited about this meal.
Okay.
I got to try the shrimp first.
I'm gonna try the steak that I just cut with a fork.
Oh wow. I can't get past the shrimp. They're good. Good after biking meal. Okay, what's the plan for the rest of the afternoon? You're gonna maybe go fishing.
I gotta get online and get a 2-day Georgia fishing license.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna walk down the lake. I think I'm just gonna fish from the bank for try to catch some crappie, and then maybe this evening I'll see if I can't
Get some catfish.
try to catch a catfish. I don't know. I don't know anything about the lake or what the bottom's like, where to fish, but
Never know till you try.
there's no one around here to ask.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna tuck into this. See you guys on the other side. Okay, Dave's been down fishing probably half hour, 45 minutes or so, and I am going down to check on him. Nothing. But this ain't a bad spot, is it?
I've had worse.
Yeah. We got a little bit of wind.
That wind is getting chilly.
Yeah.
Concrete's hurting my butt.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh.
Nice though.
Beautiful spot, yeah. Seems like I got a little bit of weather rolling in. Well, keep at it.
All right.
Maybe we'll have some dinner. Maybe we'll have surf and turf lunch and surf dinner. Hi. Do you need some green beans? Yeah? Okay. Come here. Let's get you some beans. Who needs some green beans? Come on. There you go. Okay, I'm going to make this salmon dip. For that, I need some salmon. We were happy to get back in Aldi country because that's where I get the salmon. This is like $3 and something. It's under $4 for this. It's more like lox, not like the thicker big fillet of smoked salmon, but this is delicious. I'm going to take that, dice it up really small, and then I'm going to use Greek yogurt and cream cheese, and then I'm going to season it with everything bagel seasoning. It's so good. It's good. So you could see I didn't measure anything, but I definitely used more yogurt than cream cheese. Probably twice as much yogurt for cream cheese, and then just the salmon and everything bagel seasoning.
Oh gosh.
This is dinner, right? That's what I'm thinking. We are going to take on another culinary journey. This video is very food centered.
Welcome to the Food Network, Vagabond style.
Yeah, Vagabond fiddles, right? We got a hankering for tacos. We don't have taco shells. I do have ground burger, which I've already prepped into taco meat. And we saw a thing a while back about a gal making crackers out of egg whites and cheese. And it got us to thinking maybe we could do the same for a taco shell.
Yeah, so she mixed the egg whites with the cheese, kind of mixed it up, and then spread it thin. She baked it in the oven.
Yeah.
So our oven's pretty small, but she baked it whole, brought it out, cut it into cracker shapes, and baked it again. But midway through the process, it was folding like a tortilla, and I thought,
yeah,
I don't know. I'm not sure if it's gonna come out like a taco shell or a burrito.
Okay,
wrap.
since she baked hers, maybe I'll get some tin foil. When you put it in the pan, keep it on low, and we'll cover it with foil. Anyway, one big giant experiment, so we're going to take you along for the ride. First step, egg whites.
How much do you reckon?
I don't know. I mean, we need a couple tortillas each, right? Or that's not appetizing. That's probably good, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Because the next step is to whisk it, and that's going to make it more. We can always make more, I suppose.
Say when.
I don't know, because I actually didn't see it. So, what did it look like?
Oh, look at that.
Okay. I see what was good then.
Okay.
And then the cheese was added into the bowl at this point, or in the pan?
Into the bowl.
Okay.
And then kind of tossed it.
Gently, because the trick is you don't want to lose your air that you've. So
We're gonna go with mozzarella.
Don't dump it hard. Put it on maybe on
the
the
creamy melt.
Creamy melt mozz. Yeah, just gently. And then I'll get you something to fold that in. Yeah. You can just use this, right?
Why not?
Okay. Yeah, that. It's a cheese log. Well, that. Is it looking good?
I don't know. I saw this video like weeks ago. I should have saved it.
It's okay. Don't lose your air.
How's that look?
Look good.
Oh, it's pretty runny.
Well, it cooks though, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. Try and make a circle, I guess. Yeah, I'd say that's enough mixture. Okay, now I think I would cover it with tin foil. And maybe lower the heat.
I can't wait to hear the comments like, what are you guys doing?
Lower the heat a little, I think. Yeah, because you don't want it to scorch. Now we wait. And now we're cooking. Let's see. Is it getting brown? Like that's what we want. It is, yeah. Oh boy. Woo! Look at that. We've got the second one down and flipped. This thing's giant because we just used the remainder.
Did you get that flip on the camera?
I don't think, because I looked down and it was frozen. He flipped this whole thing. He's just that good. Sometimes this camera does freeze like that. Not very often though. So
just when it's something like me flipping that thing.
Really important, impressive stuff. I know. You took a nibble off this though, and you said it was delicious. It doesn't even need taco stuff on it.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna run and get the taco meat, and then as soon as it's done, we can assemble. Well, we can probably make 2 out of those.
Sure.
It's pretty big. All right. Okay, it's assembly time. So we cut that second one in half. I think it's gonna be great. It's pretty hot though, so I'm actually just gonna fold it and let it rest.
So I took the first one, put it back in there to warm back up again, and
Okay.
the other half of this one, and we'll share that one.
Okay. Sounds good.
So
I gotta wait. It's kind of hot though. There's the meat. I had a squid.
No.
I had a
That one's
squid.
I'm carving still. It's not done.
Oh, yeah, just use that, I guess. I guess give me a Scooby. Thank you. And some lettuce.
Some avocado.
Yeah, what's an avocado? I'm gonna add a little sour cream. I'm just gonna approach this like it's not gonna fall apart. 100% confidence.
Give some of your sour cream. I'm just gonna spread mine on the back and spoon on the.
A little bit of salsa. Okay. Oh, I gotta do Taco Bell mild sauce. That's my jam. This is gonna be a real big mess. I don't have enough napkins. I gotta take my jacket off. This is a roll.
I might have put too much in there.
Oh, you pulled an Irene, didn't you?
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. It's actually working. Do you see that?
Oh, that.
Oh my gosh.
That cooked, crispy, salty.
Yeah, cheese.
Not burnt, but that point cheese is so good.
I don't even know how to approach this because it's. Okay, I'm just gonna pick it up, never put it down. That's the trick.
That's funny.
That was really delicious. It tastes nothing like, obviously, a corn tortilla or a flour tortilla. But if you put that out of your mind.
Think about all the different things you have in like a taco or a burrito or a what they call it, tostada, or a huevos rancheros, kind of all mixed. You get the egg from the huevos.
I would definitely do this again. There's probably a better way we could be doing it.
Yeah. It needs to be thinner and crispier.
But this is super fun. Improvise. Okay, so today's a travel day for us. We're leaving this campground and we're heading south. I think the next time you see us, we're going to be in Florida. So we got some friends showing up down there we're meeting with. We're going to a wine festival. Got a lot going on. So catch you south. Carry on.
Carry on. Well, thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.